Hey.
Perfect in the middle.
Today we're doing the deaf, blind, and mute challenge. I'm gonna be deaf.
Where's the tape? Oh.
What are you?
Oh, we don't have a blindfold. Oh yeah, I'm blind. I will.
Close your eyes. We'll find something. Don't worry. So this is my house, so I'm the only one that knows where everything is. So hopefully this will be okay. I have to connect my headphones.
I have to tape my mouth shut.
God fucking damn it.
Mm-hmm.
Can you hear it?
No.
Do you think they'll be able to hear it?
Okay.
Well. Brownies! Oh, okay. Ball?
What is this?
I have a whisk.
Can we get Emma to read the instructions?
That one needs 2. This one needs 3. We have a perfect amount. Preheat to 350.
Oh no. Should I put it in? Okay.
Why are we giving it to her? Two 1/3 cup veggie oil. We're gonna have to do 2 1/3 cups because I don't have a 2/3.
Oh no.
Ah, my toe.
Okay.
Dobby, move!
Did I get the right spot? Where do I put this?
What? Catfish! There's a shell.
Oh no, that's probably me.
Yeah! Mix.
Is the shell gone?
Oh wait, we need the water.
Oh, wait, I thought we needed water. I thought we needed water. Oh. Did we get the water? Oh. What is happening?
Oh!
Should have rolled up my sleeves. I hope I'm like in the camera angle thingy. Oh no! I'm too tall.
Oh, the song!
I should roll up my sleeve.
There's no lyrics yet. Somebody save your soul cause you've been singing in the city. I know. Why are you putting the... Cause you don't even know. I can make your hands clap. Hi buddy. This is Dobby. Cause you don't even know. I can make your hands clap.
Tried wife Aerith.
Stars come out.
What? Okay. Oh, it's greasy. Ew.
Why are we having the blind one do it?
What?
hold it there. Oh shit, it's not mixed. Ah!
I can't tell. Get rid of
Ah! You got a spoon. It's not preheated yet.
There's batter over his. I think
We're making that now?
something's.
We're making the cake from Harry Potter.
right now.
Can I just rinse it out?
Just got taken off. Something's at my foot. Oh.
Ow!
Hair in my mouth.
Woof.
There's hair in my mouth inside. I feel like I'm at the edge of.
Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything
I
tonight.
do have hair in my mouth. Oh, it's
Everything
yawning.
tonight. Everything. Ah!
There's a animal in my way.
Excuse me, I might hate you more than I should tonight. And I'm gonna take you home with me if I could tonight. So good tonight. You may not have tomorrow. Give me everything tonight. We know we might not hit tomorrow. Let's get it tonight. Oh, Loki, I'm sorry. My dog's on the floor. Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight.
Am I in the camera still? I feel like I'm all the way to the left.
10. 10. My volume's too loud. I'll turn it down.
Your voice volume.
I'm talking too loud. I'll shut up. Is everything in there?
I don't know.
Cup of water.
Where's the instructions? Where are the eggs in there? When that happen?
Fill that with water.
Don't splash it on me again.
Cup of water. No, I give that cheese. Last time I did the veggie and the water. Ah!
Not again. No.
Ah! She put water on me!
Me too.
Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey.
I'll try to mix better this time.
Give me everything tonight. Ah! Careful! I'm gonna show them Loki. This is my dog. This is Loki. He's huge, he's fat. I'll put you back now. Oh, Dobie. This is Dobie. I hope he's in frame. The song that just came on sounds like the horror. And I don't know what song it is, and I'm gonna skip it. The Edge of Glory by Lady Gaga. I don't know what that is.
I hope this is mixed.
Oh my god, I want that song from Pitch Perfect. The Troublemakers Final. Dad.
Ew.
Dad.
You
Dad.
put water on the counter.
Dad.
There's water
Dad.
on the counter. Ew.
Dad. Dad. Oh, did it rain? Yeah. Been looking for the weekend, but no, not anymore. Cause here comes that familiar feeling. There's somewhere you can feel the electricity.
Oh no.
evening.
Oh no, why are you having me do this?
She got it all over me.
Oh no. What?
But I'm just gonna let something brand new happen to me.
I need to tighten this.
And it's alright.
It's slipping.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Bright lights in a big city
There we go.
belongs to us. Nothing to go. Ah! It's getting everywhere. In the oven?
Oh no, I'm by the oven, aren't I?
Loki, move. Touch the track, it turns into gold. Which one?
Oh, there's a seat here.
How big was the pan?
6 by 6.
How big is that? 9 by 13? Last summer, I still see it all. Yeah, because that's the only one that's not even on both sides. 20 to 30, 23 minutes. Laughing in the rain. Is it 2 8 inches? 24 to 28. Timer. We'll check on them at 23. We'll check on them at 23 minutes. Oh, our little guys. Oh, there's Loki. Show your little guy. I can still recall. Are we saying bye?
Bye.
Bye.
What? I tried to fist bump somebody.
Cut. Stack. Wait to cut it first.
Why?
Move Dobie. Move Dobie. I don't know. I did mention it. I lied. We're making the Harry Potter cake.
Don't stab me. Do you have a knife?
Where are you going? Come back. Tall. That's pretty good. Should we put it in between? Okay. I'm gonna get a bowl. Dobie! No sleep tonight for you. Better chug that Mountain Dew. Okay, okay. Your skincare make this whole town disappear. Okay, let me pour. You realize she can't see you, right? I I could have used that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Oh!
I'm gonna break this food.
Mm-hmm.
I've bent metal spoons before.
Mm-hmm. 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 I don't think it's mixed all the way. Mm-hmm.
Emma, where are you? Do you want some frost?
Why is this on my counter?
Emma. Emma.
Where are you going?
Emma.
I can't hear you, honey. It's not very smooth. What? Oh wait, it's not supposed to be perfect anyway. We have to get a reference picture. That's what it looks like. We need to make a crack like that. Or we could do the letters first. You nerdy. Now you're flaky, freaky, and dirty. What the fuck? Yes. Yeah, that works. Why do I feel a knife on my shoulder? Hi.
Why do I have a knife?
I need this. Thank you. So it needs to go. Yeah. Yay! Bye.
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 You don't know? It is now.
I can't find any songs for it. Here we go, this one should work.
Oh no. Egg.
Halt!
Come. Yes, keep going that way. Forward. Yep.
Why are we cutting it?
That's a good pink. We did pretty good.
Which one should I open first?
Right, your left. Yeah.
Alright. They were actually Pokemon cards at Target for once. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh.
Doesn't look like any other cats.
It kind of looks like me. You guys tell me because I can.
I can't fucking read.
I don't know if these are cool. If it's
Let
like,
me zoom on in.
I mean like.
Hypnol, Tropitus, Nipkit,
I like that one.
Jet, Marshadow, Gwen, and Misty.
Misty.
Should I do another video for the next one or should I just keep going?
Oh, okay.
Just keep going.
Next is Chaos Rising.
Woohoo!
You usually put your face in your TikToks.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
I like that. She has some face TikToks.
Mostly when I dye my hair.
Oh, let's see what you got this time.
Hopefully not
Whoa.
too long.
Why did you open your dicks?
Huh?
Do that EX.
Yeah, it's cool.
I wanted to.
Bad rat.
Ooh, that was cool. Esper! Say bye!